Do you have a problem like this during the day when the summers come and you sweat a lot? Your eyelid color, which is look really nice in the morning, and it go creasing and can see some color is gone because of your oily lid. What you gonna do? Let's do it. So if you have oily lid, what I recommend is the primer. Make sure that its primer is not too oily. Just use a primer all over, and the very important thing, make sure you blend it all flat nicely, no clumpiness, upper and lower part, like that. Make it smooth, that is the key point. Just make it smooth, girl. Color with any eyeshadow that you prefer. Just press it like this. Press first. Blend. Before that primer completely dry. If it's too dry, it will turn out to be the same issue again. That's it, guys. And the lower lid as well. Start from here, blend it like this. So when this first color all done, you can add more color if you want to go crazier, more sexier, add more dimension, just go for it. So I will add more color in the top here, the shimmery piece.